Here's what I call the Diode Torpedo. I have the 18X disconnected at this time, and the water still remains a charge from the last video where I showed you the diode compass. Here's the one in 4148. Here's the one that, let me get it over here, that I used for the compass. Here's one which I have smaller leads on. And what I want to show you is what happens after we turn the water or the oscillator off. The water will actually change polarity and turn into what appears to be a magnet. I'm going to lay this guy on here and watch what happens to it when I lay it down. Now, let me explain to you, this should have more buoyancy than this one here because the leads are shorter. Now, granted, if we had a viscous solution, the more leads, if we didn't have an appreciable amount of weight, then it should also float easier. But I'll go ahead and lay it on here, and you take and watch what happens. Do you see how rapidly that was sucked down towards the coil? Let me go ahead and fish it out again and pick up on the video. Now remember, the coil's off, and this guy weighs a lot less now than the guy I used for the compass. And you will see that he doesn't just gradually fall to the bottom. He goes down like a torpedo, like a rock. Now watch it again. Bam. And look, did you see him cross like this over to this end of the coil, as if there's still a charge hanging around this coil? Now let me put the one that I used for the compass back in. Here's the one that I used for the compass. I'll go ahead and lay it down, and bam, did you see him? He ended up over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is fish them both back out and turn the oscillator on. It can easily be seen that the exciter is running. You can see the tuning lead's on. You can see this lead down here is on. And what we need to do now is just wait a few seconds for this water to do its magic, and we'll go ahead and set the compass diode back into it again. And what I'll do is I will set it in, hopefully, in a little different orientation. Okay, now our water has become more viscous, and as you can see, he's rotating from that 90-degree position and lining up again. It's quite interesting what's happening to this water and how it retains that charge after the exciter's turned off. Now you have to